Hello everyone, I am Bowen. Together with Ronnie, we are from St. Xavier's Institution, Penang. Today, I would like to present how artificial intelligence, or AI, can help nature thrive and protect our environment for the future. The first innovation is the AI Forest Guardian. This system uses drones and smart cameras to protect forests by detecting illegal logging, finding forest fires early, tracking animal movement, and monitoring tree health. By using AI technology, forests can be protected more efficiently and biodiversity can be preserved. The second innovation is wildlife protection AI. AI-powered cameras can recognize endangered animals, detect suspicious human activity, send alerts to park rangers, and track animal migration patterns. This acts like an intelligent security system, or AI guard, for wildlife reserves and helps prevent poaching. Another important innovation is the AI climate prediction system. AI can analyze large amounts of climate data to predict floods, heat waves, droughts, and storms earlier than before. This helps communities prepare for disasters while also protecting ecosystems and natural habitats. These innovations show that AI is not only shaping the future of technology, but also helping us build a safer, greener, and more sustainable world. Thank you.